Hi everyone, my name is Viviana Velasquez. I am 34 years old. I am from Bogota City and I belong to the SEAD Jose Acevedo y Gomez in the bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. I am in my last semester at this university and also I study psychology at Politécnico Gran Colombiano and I am in 7th semester. I have been a teacher for 12 years in different language centers and high education institutions. And I think it is the most important thing in my life because I really love teaching and I learned every day in my job. Well, my contact number is 316-617-2232 and my email address is vivasvelasquez@gmail.com. As I said before, I am in 10th semester and I live in Bogota. My expectations about the course are very punctual. I have two important points. The first one is I want to improve my writing skills, reinforcing my knowledge about English language, referring about grammar, syntax, and everything, as well as learning new ways to communicate effectively by reading. My second expectation will be to get new learning experience that I can share with my students, and it can contribute to my professional development, and I can transmit new knowledge to my pupils. In step 2, I have questions and answers. In that case, my first personal goal for this course is to accomplish all the activities on time and to enhance my written skills by means of different tools provided throughout this course. In this way, I can generate a better writing abilities and also generate understanding about the language. And I think this can help myself and my students to improve our writing competences. The strategies I will use to develop my writing skills, I think that it's important to connect the rest of the skills. So I think reading is a really important part of developing writing skills, since reading helps you to understand a little bit more the way how to connect the ideas, right? And how to use punctuation and those components, which sometimes we forget at the time of writing. And also, I think it's really important to continue working on our listening, because we can get some formal listening speech, and they can help us also to develop or to build up more vocabulary, which can help us to write easily and in a coherent way. And finally, I would like to go deeper into specific things. First of all, I would like to reinforce my argumentative competence, since usually I use my informal speech or my informal writing. So I would like to go deeper in argumentation, trying to use more formal vocabulary, as well as using linkers and those components which sometimes we don't take into account at the moment of using English language. And also I would like to have a rehearsal, making some drafts possibly, which can contribute to improve my formal writing through reports, essays, or any formal document which are really important and necessary in your professional field. So I think this course will help me a lot to develop different skills, not only as a student but also as a teacher, to complement my students' learning process. Thank you very much to you.